So guys, for the first method, you're gonna head it with search and type in services. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you want to find Bluetooth support service. Double click on it. Make sure that you have the startup type on automatic and then click on start, which will now make the service status running. And then click on OK. And now you want to click on restart. You want to restart the Bluetooth support service. See if that works for you. If that's still not working, then for the second method, you're going to head it with search and type in Bluetooth and other device settings. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you want to disconnect your Bluetooth device by clicking on the three dots and then click on remove. Then you just want to add it again. See if that works for you. For the next method, you're going to head it with search and type in device manager. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you should be having Bluetooth. I don't have it on my computer, but once you find Bluetooth, you want to expand it. And now you want to find your Bluetooth device. You want to right click on it, and then click on update driver. And then click on search automatic for drivers. Make sure that you have the best drivers for your device installed. For the next method, you're going to head it with search and type in troubleshoot settings. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you want to click on other troubleshooters. And now you want to find Bluetooth. Click on run. And now this will come up, the Bluetooth troubleshooter. You want to click on yes to run the diagnostics. And you just want to go through the steps that come up right here and then see if that works for you. And now for the last method, you just want to do a simple restart of your computer. And then hopefully this will now fix your problem.